Education is the foundation of national development, but what happened when compared to countries with a very difficult history, economy, and culture? Rwanda and United States of America. Today, we are diving into deep exploration to see where they meet, where they differ, and what each learn from the other. In Rwanda, education has been shaped by the turbulent history. During colonial time, schools were introduced mainly by missionaries and severed colonial interest. After 1994 genocide against Tutsi, the national prioritized education as the tool of unity, healing, and rebuilding a broken country. In United States, education has long been tied democracy and national breeding. Since 19th century, schools were designed to compare citizens to vote, research, and innovation. Education was seen as the key making America a global economy and technology power. In Rwanda, children entire primary school at the 6th age and start the 6th year. This followed by the 3 years of the lower secondary and the 3 years of the upper school to qualify for university. Students where they pass national exams. In United States, system began with elementary and middle school rating year 8 year in total. Students they attend the high school 4 years before entering college or university. One the big difference is that US pay the higher education through scholarship or loan. In often the major challenge, Rwanda as a developing nation has been a strong effort to expand access to school, yet many students still face limited resources. Few books, crowded classroom, and the shortage well-trained teacher. Program like one laptop per children were introduced to bridge the digital divide. In the United States of America, schools are equipped with the model laboratories, library open around the clock, and advanced technology programs. Students are encouraged to innovate, research, and apply the knowledge in the real-world settings. In Rwanda, success in education will still have measured performance in national exams. Memorization played a big role with critical thinking and creativity are still developing. In the United States of America, schools emphasize independent thinking, research papers, and projects based on learning. Students often choose subjects that align with their talents and their future careers, give them the more flexibility in shaping their path. Rwanda education system is the stronger in accessibility through 9 years basic education and 12 years basic education. Millions of children now attend the school, but qualify remains a concern. From limited teaching materials to insufficient teachers training, the US system excels in research, innovation, and preparation students to think independently, yet it faces a major challenge: inequality. Students from the wealthy family have far better access to opportunity than those from the poor background. Rwanda can learn from the US by fostering creativity, promoting research, and give students more choice in shaping their academic journey. The US, on the other hand, can learn from Rwanda, emphasize on the values, teaching community spirit, unity, and resilience in the world divided by cultural conflict and inequality, such as the values are become the more important than ever. Education is more than teaching. It is the mirror of the nation. Rwanda and the United States may look different, but they share same goals: producing knowledgeable citizens with the value and the power to transform their future. This shows that no nation holds all the answer. Instead, each can learn from other. Because in today, the world education remains the most powerful weapon for all. Rwanda and United States, two nations, two paths, and one vision. Education as the foundation of progress. Make subscribe here to examine. My name is Karista Mutawazarindochi. See you next video. Make sure subscribe, like, and comment this video.